warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, in Kalduk from group 6, I'm Yudi Erik Saputra, number 35.
I am Siti Salasaidatul Abada, number 27.
I am Siti Susanti, number 29.
I am Siti Kamsato, number 24.
Definition. What is the explanation text? Explanation text is the text used to explain the way process something happens, especially the natural phenomenon, the sensitive or social natural world. Explanation text is to tell the reader or listener about how and why an event happens.
Characteristic of explanation text. The factual contents of the text are true in accordance with reality or what they are, so not based on the outer point. Significative to experience object or event that can be right, skin or context excluding scientific form. Informative context in the form of information about object or phenomena given to other or reader. Reading general thing. Much of the discussion concerns general, social, and other objects. The descriptive and detail with language that is easy to understand. For example, to tell. Purpose to explain how or why earthquakes occur.
Why can the earthquake happen? The earthquake can occur because it is caused by the emergence of a movement or a shift on a very strong layer of the earth. The cause of this earthquake is divided into two types, namely the volcanic earthquake and tectonic earthquake. Volcanic earthquake are a type of earthquake caused by the biggest scale volcano earth. This volcanic earthquake is quite rare compared to the tectonic earthquake event. The tectonic earthquake is a layer of the earth's shiftiness which the causes of movement or shift. How is the process of the earthquake? The process of the earthquake starts from the emergence of a shock which is usually caused by a movement which comes from the rocky stone layer. This shock is caused by vibration from the base of the earth. These vibrations are found in certain areas which result in the appearance of shock. These areas are active or in the open area.
Structure. First, general statement. This section describes the general description of a natural phenomenon or event that will be discussed. This section describes the process of how these natural phenomena can occur. This section is in the first paragraph. This can be seen in the first sentence, which contains the definition of an earthquake. Second, sequential explanation. After knowing the general description of the phenomenon to be discussed, then the cause and effect of the phenomenon are explained. In this section, we can describe in several paragraphs the cause and consequence. The structure of the explanation text of a series of events can also be referred to as a series of explanations. This section is in paragraph 2 to 4. It can be seen in the paragraph that the cause of earthquakes are explained, namely volcanic and tectonic. The latter structure is interpretation or closing. This section is found in the 5th paragraph or last paragraph. The paragraph section contains about the interpretation and conclusion of the author. Language feature. First, use passive sentential. Second, use conjunction, time, and causality. For example, then, so, and if. 3. There is a sensitive term. For example, volcanic earthquake, tectonic earthquake, plate tectonic theory, and Pacific plate. 4. Use active verb. For example, falling, floating, and quality. The presentation of our group. If there are words or pronunciations that are not right, we apologize. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.